Good morning, students. Today we start exercise 7.4, remaining question of exercise 7.4, in which question number 18, I is equal to 5x minus 2 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. So in this question we apply a simple method. Simple method is put numerator equals to a into derivative of denominator plus b, where a and b are constant. So in this numerator is 5x minus 2, a into derivative of this is 6x plus 2 plus b. The way is put numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b. So after this we compare coefficient of x. In left hand side coefficient of x is 5. This is the coefficient of x. So value of a is 5.6. After this we compare constants. In left hand side the constant is minus 2 and in right hand side the constant is 2a plus b. When we put the value of a 5.6 plus b, this cancel out, this is minus 2 minus 5.3, so b is minus 11.3. When we put the value here, that's minus 2, value of a is 5.6, this is 6x plus 2 and value of b is 11.3. Put this value in this numerator, that's 5.6, 6x plus 2 minus 11.3 divided by square root of 3x plus 2x plus 1 dx. So separate these two terms, this is 6x plus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1x, and this is 11.3 dx upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So we write it as, this is 6x plus 2 and we write this 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus power half dx, and take this root 3 outside. So this is x square plus 2.3x plus 1.3. After this is fx, this is f dash x. So add 1 to the power and divide this by same. Here complete the square. For completing square, this is x square. Its half is 1.3, so its square is 1.9 minus 1.9. So this is 5.3, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 whole power half. This is 11.3 root 3 dx upon, this is x plus 1.3 whole square. Here this is 9 is LCM, so 3 minus 1. This is root 2 upon 3 square. So this is the formula of, this is 5.3, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 half. This is 11.3 under root 3. This is the identity of log x plus x square plus a square. This is the answer, plus c. This is the answer of this question. This is the important one also and lengthy also. In question number 19, the statement is 6x plus 7 upon x minus 5 x means 4. So first we multiply these terms. So this is x square means 4 means 5 is 9x plus 20. So first we put 6x plus 7, that's numerator, a into derivative of denominator plus b. When we compare the coefficient of x, there is 6 and this is 2a, so value of a is 3. When we compare the constant terms, there is constant 7 and this is constant 9a plus b. When we put the value of a, so this is 7 plus 27 equals to b, so b is 34. This means this 6x plus 7 is 3, 2x means 9 plus 34. So put value here, this is 3, 2x means 9 plus 34 upon square root of x square 9x plus 20. So this is 3, 2x means 9, this is x square 9x plus 20 dx. This is 34 dx upon, complete this square 9x. Coefficient of x is 9.9, half is 9.2. So this is 81.4 plus 20. 81.4. So this is 3, 2x means 9, this is x square 9x plus 20 means half dx, and this is 34 dx upon x means 9.2 whole square, this is 80 means 1, this is 1.2 whole square. So integrate this x square 9x plus 20, add 1 to the power, divide this by power. So this is the identity of log x plus under root of x square means a square. This is the answer. In all these questions we use same method, same way. Let's put numerator is equals to a into denominator, derivative of denominator plus b. In next question, that is question number 20, the statement is I is equal to x plus 2 square root of 4x means x square. In this question, first we put x plus 2 equals to a, derivative of this is 4 means 2x plus b. So compare coefficient of x, so value of a is means half, comparing constant term, here constant is 2, constant is 4a plus b. So this is 4 means half plus b, so this cancel out, this is 2 plus 2 equals to b, so b is equal to 4. And this is x plus 2, value of a is means half, 4 means 2x and b is 4. When we put the value here, this is 1.2, 4 means 2x plus 4 upon square root of 4x means x square. So this is 1.2, 4 means 2x, this is 4x means x square dx, 4 dx upon, for completing square take means common. So this is 1.2, 4 means 2x, 4x means x square means half dx, and for completing square this is x square means 4x, half of 4 is 2, its square is 4, so it is subtracted, it's added. So this is 1.2, 4x means x square, here power is half. This is the identity of 2 square, x means 2 whole square. This is the formula of sin inverse x upon a. This is the answer. Thank you.